paint on it. I saw that. That's really nice. So we got the cover already set up. Oh, we got our pinion flange. Hey, make it look better than that ugly one we got there. Yes, sir.
I wonder if this one is thicker. I don't.
No, it has more. Well, we'll see when we get out there. It looks great though. This looks real good. Craft fuel filter. Oh yes, speed wrenches for the tank. Perfect.
Oh, that's
these
for
are
the
for
gas,
the
gas cover, the gas tank cover.
Yeah, for this guy right here. We got the cover. All right, perfect.
That too.
Oh, we got the new rubber. Excellent. There. Okay. New foam pads. And we got our new hoses. Perfect. These are going from tank to filter and to our return line. What else do we have here?
Oh, that's for the bushing for the
Oh,
gas
this is the
tank
bushing,
cover.
yeah, so it doesn't slap on the doesn't slap on the plastic. And our new pins. Oh yeah, baby. Perfect. And our new bolts for our gas tank. And these are the these are the paddings. So we don't there.
So what do you use to this gas tank? Is it?
What was that now?
What do you use to the gas tank? Is it powder coated or you just?
Well, this is for our 1993 Ford Fox body GT. We call Sergeant Reckless. We had the gas tank powder coated because, of course, you know, in the Midwest, rust sucks. It just eats up the cars, and you know you don't want to see it. So we had it powder coated completely, as you can tell. This thing looks gorgeous, man. So basically, what we're gonna need, we got the padding for it to make sure that it doesn't bang up on the body and doesn't destroy it. So we'll put those on when we clean it up real good. We got all the new stuff for it. So basically what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna give a little extra clear coating to the filler neck with our own little touch we did to it. We just cleaned it up and clear coated it, kept that metal look, kind of give it an offset, kind of like everything else here you see. We also have the wiring and new harnesses going to the sending unit and the float. So we're gonna take care of those maybe today, but definitely gonna get this up and ready so we can put it installed into our car. And then we're gonna run our brake line, our fuel lines, and then we got stainless steel, some brake line that we need, and of course, all our connectors that we'll be using for that. So I'll go here. This is the filler neck holder. This holds it up against the body. We just cleaned it all up. It was all painted, and we just threw a clear on it. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna give it a little nice click. See, look, it's got some gunk all over it again. So we're gonna clean that off, you know, and then we're gonna use some of this Eastwood paint diamond clear just to give it a nice sheen to it and keep it from rusting because it's exposed metal anyways. So that's what we'll do. Hang it up and let it dry. Put this over there so it doesn't get all beat up and banged up. Put it right in here. That's perfect. Got a lot of stuff laying around. And our new gas straps, which we had powder coated as well with the color of the car. So it's going to give a really cool contrast when we have everything put up. So we kind of like mocked it up right now. You know, it'll give you something like this. You know how it goes. So that's kind of like what it's going to look like once we set this up. It's pretty cool. Real cool. You don't want to shake this stuff. You just want to slightly stir it. It's, you know, it just says that it's completely clear, as you could tell. You know, there it is all the way to the bottom. We used it on a couple pieces already. They look really nice. So like I said, it's really runny, so you know, just if you squeeze it on there, it'll just spread everywhere, man. So we're trying to do this right, you know. And all we really did was just knock off all the dirt off of it and just kept it that metal look. I was too lazy to paint it that Ford gray or whatever. I just thought this would be better. Probably don't need to go all the way down, but again, I don't care. I'm going all the way down. Just gonna make sure I get it. Let me see if I can get this, and then I can cover up this gloss. Let's see if it sticks there. All right. Whew. I'll leave it there. Don't touch it. And let it dry up a little bit. I'll close it clear. You can see how, like, man, it's...
It is shiny.
Yeah, it's real shiny. I don't think we need another coat. That looks pretty good. Got a real nice sheen to it. I'm gonna give it a little bit more, but it should be ready in a couple more minutes. Yeah, I like it. So once we get this done up, we'll get it all set up to get put back on the car. We got the cover painted, the tanks powder coated, the leveler, the sunning unit, they're in there. We have our new pump, we have our filter, we have our line, we have our braided line, and we have our new from tank to filter and return line feed lines. We got those new, and pretty much we got all the hardware that we need. Our straps are new. So once this gets all dried up and everything, we're gonna go ahead and install it and get this bad boy ready for some gas.